No, no, no. I don't think that that's a good idea. Think of something else. Bonfire, yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, couple of drinks, nice song, chat with the family. It'll be awesome after all this chaos. Nice. So we'll leave tomorrow morning, and I'll see you around afternoon. Do you want me to get something? Okay, fine. See you soon then. Bye bye. Jesse, you're going to have a really good New Year. I'm so happy.
Who was that?
That was your Aunt Sasi. We're planning about the New Year's Eve. We should do something special this year. How would we bake a special cake and take it with us? What do you think?
Do you really want to know what I think?
What do you mean? Why would I go somewhere without your will?
No, it's not that. I kind of wanted to stay home and watch a movie.
You do this every time, Jessica. You should go and mingle with the family.
I don't. Please.
Don't start. Is there a problem?
No, Dad, I just don't want to go.
I know Sasi is strict. But she loves you. And everyone will be happy if you go there, okay? Don't do this again and again.
Dad, I don't want to go.
Give me a reason. What's your problem?
Oh my gosh, it's nothing. I want everyone to be safe.
Oh, what does that mean?
Hey, look, I know this year is really tough and really hard.
Yeah.
And a party would be great.
That's what I'm saying.
But it's not like Corona has just disappeared. It's still here. And don't get me wrong, I love Aunt Cecily. But I want her to be safe too.
Okay.
When all of this is over, maybe we can go and do something. But for now, I want to stay home and follow the rules so we can make this world safer and so we can stay safe.